everyone and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel everyone. So for this vlog is I'm gonna make a new cycling gears, right? Cycling accessories. So this is not a tech accessories for bike. And also this is a necessary item that I wanted to have is because I don't have this in here. So, yung nakita nyo, yung nakita nyo na mga previous ko na vlog ay sa Cebu po yun. So, sa Cebu, in Cebu, Philippines, and also that was my bike also that I use right there, right? So okay, and then right here is also I need to buy this one also is because I needed it, right? So kailangan ko itong mga items na ito kasi ito yung paglalagyan ko ng mga gamit ko. Meron akong bibilhin kung saan man ako pupunta. So either pupunta ako ng mall, right? Sa kung pupunta man ako ng mall or pupunta lang ako ng downtown, may bibilhin, right? At saka wala kasi akong paglalagyan. So nagdadala lang ako ng backpack at doon ko ilalagay yung binili ko, right? Dito sa backpack. Kaso mabigat sa backpack at saka pinagpawisan ako. So ayun, kailangan ko talaga need ko talaga ito. So ito yung una. So ito yung Blackburn, okay, ito yung Blackburn na 20 pounds capacity rear rack. So dito ko yun ilalagay yung aking pannier bag, right? At saka easy to install lang din naman siya kasi nga nakaganito siya. At ito po yung ilalagay doon sa seat post, right? Ito yung ganito. So Blackburn pala yung brand niya. So this is a Blackburn, and it's also, let's go gonna take this off, right? So let's go gonna take this off. Right, so ayun siya at pwede siya paglagyan ng blinker dito. So meron din akong blinker, right? I have already a blinker, so I just need to put the blinker in here. So meron din siyang reflector dito, right? So it's already has a reflector in here, and also this one right here, and we've got some bungee cord right here, right? So this bungee cord is in which you can be used some crates, milk crates, or anything that is bigger than a milk crate, right? That you can put it into this rear rack, right? And it's also have to take this off. So you just have to put it like that. You just have to press it and this also pull it, and then have to take this off right over here. Okay, so right, okay, this off. Okay, how to take this off? Okay, so okay, so kailangan pa talaga ito, so needed pa talaga ito i-stretch out. Since na i-stretch din naman siya, so ayun siya, natatanggal na siya. Okay, right, tama ba? Okay, guide me everyone. Okay. Okay, yes, there it goes. Okay, so naka-hold pala siya. So hindi ko kailangan tanggalin kasi ito yung naka-support dito, right? So ibabalik ko na lang siya, right? Ibabalik ko siya sa paglagay dito, right? Para ayon, hindi siya matanggal, right? Ayun siya. So ayun siya. So naka lang siya dito, right? So it needs to be put back. Okay, so it needs to be put back in here. Gonna have to, and then right, so if you want, I want to put it again below, right? So I just I just have to put it right down right there, right? Para hindi siya para hindi siya para hindi siya right? So babalik ko lang siya dito. So kung pwede ko siyang ibabalik dito, right? Dito kasi siya ilagay. So and then right? So pwede mo siyang kahit anong position gusto mo, right? So kahit anong position para hindi siya, so need lang siya para makapag-lock siya dito, right? So ito lang siya, meron siyang dito ganito para mag-lock siya. So how to lock it out? So have to press it, and then yes, and then here it goes. Right? So okay na siya. So pwede siyang ganito nga style, right? So okay, and it's also it can be put right here, right? Okay, so it can be put right here. So I just have to take once we got some what over here. So this is a good one also, I think. And it's aluminum, right? Aluminum. So in British, aluminium. Okay. So this one right here is good, right? Perfect. And then I can put my pannier bag right here, right? So okay, for example, let's go gonna get my pannier bag. Okay, so here it goes. So yes, perfect. At saka okay siya. So kasyang-kasya dito yung aking bag, right? So kasyang-kasya siya dito. So ayun siya. And then makapaglagay na ako ng dito. Oops, okay. Okay, maganda siya. And then okay. Paglagay na ako dito. So wala siyang support dito sa ilalim, di ba? Kasi yung ibang mga may support talaga siya. So I think try ko ito, right? Try ko itong ilalagay kung okay ba siya. Right, so I think maganda naman siya. So hindi naman siya di ba? So okay na rin itong ganito. So I think okay na rin siyang ganito. Right? So okay. Oops. Okay, so pala siya. Okay, so next is also this front carrier, right? So meron pa akong front carrier dito. So dito siya sa harap ilalagay, right? Sa may handlebar. Okay, sa handlebar siya ilalagay. So nakalagay dito folding handlebar basket. So okay, ito siya. So okay, tanggalin ko muna itong right? Tatanggalin ko muna itong nakalagay na right? Okay. So ito isa lang gagamitin ko kasi nga baka mabali yung cutter niya, right? Ito siya. So meron akong ganito, right? So tatanggalin lang natin to. Okay, so ito siya, tatanggalin ko siya, and then yes, and then also ayun, at ilalagay siya sa basket kasi siya. So ayun siya, di ba? Okay siya. So meron siyang plug, meron siyang ganito na ilalagay mo sa bike, right? So pwede ko itong dalhin kahit saan, right? Okay, so ikakabit lang kasi ito so meron din naman ako allen screw. Ito siya, ikakabit lang siya. So at saka itong bag na ito, ayos okay siya okay ayos so okay na okay pala siya. So pwede siyang gamitin kung ano yung paggagamitan mo, right? So kung gusto mo, kung kailangan ko mag-grocery, ito yung ko sa bisikleta, right? So foldable kasi siya, ayun siya, foldable, and then also which is very good, right? Like this one also. Actually malaki siya, di ba? So ilang liter ba ito? Okay. Quick mounting bracket, easy on and off with carry straps. Strong, durable construction, spacious design. Right? So, ilagay lang itong hook na ito doon sa bisikleta at saka pwede na. Right? Okay. Okay, madali lang siyang gagamitin. Right? So, madali lang siyang gagamitin. And then also, ilang liter ito? Okay. How many liter is this one? Wala nakalagay, di ba? So, okay. It's okay, it's okay. Now need to worry about it. If how many liters. Okay, here it goes. You can have to, yeah, carry on the bag, right? Put everything, sugar, spice, and everything nice. Okay, so have to, you know, check this out. So have to take see this. So this one right here, this one which is gonna be put into the handlebar, right? And these two right here is you just have to, these two right here is you just have to you know, like that one, right? And then have to put it like that. Yes, like that. Very simple as that, right? Very simple as it, okay? Very simple, very simple. So ano, hindi ko pa ito makakabit, right? So bukas ikakabit ko ito kasi hindi pa ito tapos ang vlog na ito, right? Okay, so quick ano pa na to, pakita ko na sa inyo to. So meron siyang bag dito, right? So ayun siya, oh. You know, so if ever I will go to the Walmart and buying some groceries, right? So, right, this is also nice, good, and I can use it anywhere, right? So nice, very handy product over here that I can put all of my things, that I can put all of my groceries in here all in one, right? So okay, we're going on to the last one. Okay, so I have some new, okay, I have some new helmet over here, and with this is from Schwinn. Okay, I got a helmet from Schwinn, right? So right here, and it's also, I really love the color, right? So I'm gonna take this off the manual. Okay, and then gonna have to, okay, take this off also. Okay, so hirap na. Okay ha? Please cooperate. Okay? Okay, here it goes. I'm gonna keep it one. I'm gonna keep this also, right? Then also right here is the helmet, right? So, oh, I like it, this one. So, and you just have to adjust it. Okay, we have to adjust it, and then yes, perfect. So still, okay, like that one, and then have to put this on. Right, so how to put this on, right? Ooh, nice, perfect, like this one. All right, so that does it, I think, does it need to put some, you know, because when I'm still in Philippines, I still wear those head tube, right? Or face tube that I can put it into my head so that it will be not, you know, right? But I think this is perfect, right? Okay, this is perfect. Ooh, nice. Okay, love this one. Is also gonna be, I'm gonna be using this tomorrow, right? Since I am going to buy something, and so I need to wear this one. It's good, and I can put it into my also. I can put it into here, right? Yes, like that one. I can put the helmet right over here. Woo, perfect, nice. Okay. have to have some, you know, right? So my helmet is in the basket. Oh, perfect! I love this one. Okay, so yes, this is so convenience, and also this is unnecessary, and also very very important products, right? And also uh I bought this on Walmart, right? So if you want to, if you want to have this kind of front basket for your bike, so it's in Walmart, right? It's in Walmart. You can buy it in the Walmart. Also, and also right here, the, okay, forgot this one. Uh, this also in Walmart. Yes, in Walmart. And then the helmet is on clearance. The helmet is on clearance sale. So I just bought it for you know, affordable price, right? And it's also a very very good one for you to have it, right? So you just need to adjust it, and then okay, just need to adjust it, and then, you know, right, you just need to adjust, and then put it in right here, right? So perfect. And then what, okay, so I think the, it needs to be, okay, so it needs to be, you know, right, it okay, so it needs to be adjusted, right? It needs to be adjusted, right? So I just have to, I just have to reverse it, right? Perfect. Okay, that's good. And then I think this one right here is, I'm gonna have to put this on, right? So the other strap, so that it will lock it off, like that one. Okay, so it needs to be, you know, right? It needs to be like that. All right. So in order for me to, in order for me to put this on, so we're gonna have to put this again, and then okay, I just have to put my ears at that one, and then yes, here it goes. Yes, that's right. And then, and here we are. All right. So yes, perfect. Okay, and it's also, it's good for my ears also. And then you're gonna have to, you know, like that. Nice, perfect, love it. So okay, ooh, nice. Okay, I'm gonna have to take, I'm gonna have to take this off. Okay, and then yes, nice Schwinn, right? This is a Schwinn helmet right over here. As you can see, got a Schwinn, right? Oh, nice, perfect. So, love it. I love also. I love all the blacks. Okay, so this is not yet over. So stay tuned. Okay, this is not yet over the vlog. Okay, so I'm gonna have to install it into my bike tomorrow. Okay, so mountain daytime. Okay, mountain daytime here in Denver, Wyoming. Here in Wyoming, since it's part of Denver, right? Okay. Yeah, the okay. Wyoming is another state, and also Colorado is in another state. So in Colorado, there's the city Denver, which you can see the Denver Nuggets NBA team, And then also I really wanted to watch NBA, right? San Antonio Spurs is my team. San Antonio Spurs is my team. Okay, so I think I'm gonna have to, right? So, right, this item's gonna be installed, right? So stay tuned, okay?
One day later.
Okay everyone, so ngayon pala ay let's gonna continue the vlog. So what yung ginawa ko yesterday, right? And it's also this is the continuation of the vlog, and then I'm gonna go and install those items that I bought from my bike, right? So since it is so helpful to me, and it's so important to me to have this, since I don't have a car here I don't have a car in here in USA. I only have my bike, since my bike is my soul and spirit, right? And also my happiness also, and to less fuel, right? Less insurance also, right? So the only insurance that I have is my body, my life. Okay, so right, so the bike, so I'm gonna have to install those items that I bought, right? And this is also been part of my life. Yes, so okay, let's go gonna go I'm gonna go get my bike into the shed, since it is been captive, right? O tinago sa shed. Okay, so kukunin ko muna, kasi after ko mag-install nito, itatry ko rin siya mag-drive test. Since after mag-drive test, pupunta ako sa isang store, kasi may bibilhin lang ako na pagkain. Hindi siya luto, okay? Lulutuin siya, okay? So bibilhin ko lang siya, at saka since ini-install ko at since mag-i-install ako ngayon, so after this video, drive test, the test drive, kung hindi ba siya mahuhulog, right? So, hindi ba siya makalog-alog. So, and then also after it, tapos na yung vlog. Okay, so, and then pupunta na ako sa aking pupuntahan para makapagbili ng aking pagkain dito sa bahay. Okay, so okay, stay tuned for a while. Okay, stay tuned. So okay, I'm here already, so in the bike, so I just put in the porch, right? So okay, since there's a camera right in this house, and then also I don't want to see any, right? So let's go, gonna start it up. So I'm gonna have to put first the front basket right here in my, right? So let's go gonna have to okay, and this one, so, and with this bike gonna be put right over here. All right, so okay, I'm gonna start putting this hook, right? Okay, then got to check. Okay, I'm gonna have to check. Yeah, it's big. It is so big, right? So as you can see, there you go. Okay. Okay, gonna have to okay, and then have to put this one. Okay, then okay, gonna have to put it right. Okay, so This one is big, right? So have to, right? Yes, just like that, and then this is harder than I thought. So okay, and this, yeah. So this is okay. I think that will be good. Okay. Okay, that will be good. And the next is right here. Is gonna have to, adjust this bike horn, is to put that right over there. Okay, so since I'm gonna have to put it right over here, since I have to, adjust this up. Okay. Okay. And I have to, okay. That will be good. Okay. And to lock it up. Okay, so next is the other one. I'm gonna have to put this on. Oh, the wind is so cold, right? So malamig ang hangin, malamig ang simoy na hangin, right? So hoping, di ba? Hoping na kakasya itong bag dito. Since mataas yung ano niya. Right? So, mataas kasi yung ito niya eh. So, since mataas ang kanyang okay, medyo pahirapan lang muna ito ngayon. Okay, so this is harder than I thought, right? So ano lang, okay, di ba? So ito lang kasi yung pinakamahirap eh. So yung sa rack sa likod madali lang siya, so mas ano na talaga siya eh. So okay, so oops, okay. 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 It's drop. Nahulog pala eh. Hindi ko maabot eh. So, okay, so pahirapan ito eh. So, pahirapan. Okay. Pahirapan to. So, medyo madilim, di ba? Hindi gaano makita sa video, right? Pero I think okay lang. Okay. Tatapos din tayo dito eh. Hirap lang kasi nito eh. Okay. Ilan kasi pa siya mapapasok eh. So, I think itong kailangan ko siyang i-adjust, right? Adjust ko lang itong mount ang aking action camera, right? Sana dinala ko na yung extender eh. Extender ng aking handlebar. Okay, I think that would be good enough. Okay, that will be good enough. Okay. All right, so here it goes. Okay, okay, papasok na siya, and then a little bit harder. Okay, papasok din. Okay, ayan siya. Okay. Ang hirap lang eh kasi maliit lang itong allen screw nito eh, right? So okay, at saka sumakit na rin yung kamay ko, right? Okay. Okay. So since siya, I think okay kasi makapag din naman siya, may support din naman siya kahit paano, right? May support din naman siya dito sa okay, so sa shifter. Okay, so try natin ilagay. Okay. Try ko siya ilagay kung kakasya ba siya, right? Okay. So I think kailangan ko to siya. I think right, mas mataas kasi siya eh, so hindi siya aabot. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna have to, you know, take this some accessories. Okay, tatanggalin ko na lang itong aking action camera dito, mount, right? Kasi hindi siya kakasya. Okay, so alright, then you know, right, so malaki kasi ito ano eh, malaki kasi itong handlebar. I think papalitan ko ito ng bagong handlebar eh. So adjust lang. Okay, adjust tayo. So lipat lang dito sa ano para mas magiging ano siya, right? Okay. Okay. Konting adjust lang eh on. Konting adjust lang kasi para maano ko siya, right? So oops, parang nahulog yata yung ano ah. Okay. Ah, nandito pala. Okay, nandito pala siya. Naka, ano. Matagal yata pumasok ka. Okay, adjust ko lang siya konti, right? Adjust ko lang siya. Adjust ko lang siya, right? So para makapag ano siya. Then yun, gas-gas na yung ano niya. Okay. Okay. Puro kakasya na ito eh. Right? Kakasya na ito. Okay. Kakasya na ito. Okay, at saka ito right, ito oops, okay. Siguro ito kasya na ito, diba? Okay. Tanggalin ko na itong tatanggalin ko na itong headlight at saka tanggalin ko ito. Okay, and then actually papasok na sana sa so konti na lang siguro, di ba? Konti na lang so itong dito sa my right side, kailangan ko pa na ano, di ba? So para ano siya, so nakagasgas na yung handlebar so right, so I think kailangan ko muna ng ano, right, so kailangan ko na ng pamalo okay, para ano siya. Okay, try natin. Okay, try na natin. Okay. Okay, So, alright.
Take the second left
Test
onto
na
West
natin to.
24th Street. In half a mile, turn right onto Central Avenue.
Hindi. Medyo hindi ako makakita ng masyado sa shields ko eh. So far okay din naman, di ba? So hindi wala kita-kita sa anino ng ano sa likod yung ano dito. So far hindi naman nag-aano yung nag-aano dito yung ano, di ba? Dito na ako dadaan. Well, actually okay, ayos, hindi ba? So far so good, hindi nahuhulog. Kumakapit talaga siya. So kumakapit naman talaga yung ano eh. So sa likod naman, kita-kita naman sa shadow. Na-force kasi sa shadow yung ano eh. So na-force kasi sa shadow yung likod, kaya kita-kita yung pannier bag ko right sa init ng panahon. So malapit na rin mag-spring dito eh. So malapit na rin kasi mag-spring. So what, okay, itong mapa ko. Tumawid siya, tatawid na rin ako. Okay, yun pala. Go ahead. It's okay. Thank you. You're welcome. Yun, ang ganda. Ayos ah. So liliko ako dito. Hindi pa. Okay, malaya pa pala. Okay,
At the
sa
light,
susunod.
turn right onto Central Avenue.
Okay, ito the next. Itong next. So liliko ako dito. So pa-right turn ako. Alright.
In a quarter mile, turn left onto East 19th Street.
So medyo malamig yung hangin. Right? Kasi nga tumitigas na naman yung kamay ko sa lamig. So actually katamtaman lang. Oh, what a nice ninja bike. Okay. Okay, dito tayo. So far hindi pa ano yung ano sa likod. Nandyan pa rin sa likod yung ano. Okay, so next stop, okay, next stop. Kasi naka-stop pa siya eh. At liliko ako sa okay, here it goes. Alright.
At the light, turn left on East 19th Street.
Turn left. Okay.
In a quarter mile, turn right onto Seymour Avenue.
Oh, ang puti niya. Okay. Oh, stop. Yung Volkswagen na nakita nyo na Beetle, yan na yung bago na yan kasi pinipreserve na kasi yung original na Volkswagen na Beetle. So yun yung story niya. So nagpapaalam na kasi yung Volkswagen Beetle na original. Kaya ayun, gumawa sila ng bago na Volkswagen Beetle. Okay, go na pala. Okay. Na ano nagbabay na kasi yung Volkswagen Beetle na
In a quarter
original.
mile, turn
Kaya
right onto
ayun.
Seymour Avenue.
So I think liliko ako dito eh. So hindi pa. Malayo pala. Okay. Okay, lilipat lang ako eh. Okay. Ayun siya.
In
So okay.
600 feet, turn left onto East 17th Street.
What?
Head northwest on House Avenue toward East 19th Street, then turn right onto East 19th Street.
Okay.
In
Yeah.
1,000 feet, turn right onto Seymour Avenue.
Yan yung sabi ni Maps eh. Okay, straight lang. So ayun siya, yung performance pala niya ay maganda. Ito na ba yun? Sa kabila pa. Okay.
Take the next right onto Seymour Avenue.
So divide ko na ito ng dalawang video, right? So this is the Seymour Avenue. Okay, lalabas na ako ng magaganda na bang asa niya.
In 1,000 feet, your destination will be on the left.
Yeah, you're right. Okay. Maganda na yung performance ng carrying basket na ito eh. Okay na okay siya. Okay. The coast is clear. Have to change lane. Alright. And then, well, lapit na tayo sa destination natin. Okay.
Your destination is on the left.
Here we are. Already. Okay.
So ayun, pang-outro na po tayo. So okay, so pang-outro na ito sa aking video ngayon sa itong pang-outro na itong video sa itong bike ride ko ngayon, at saka so pag-install lang itong mga bagong mga necessary na mga gamit na sa aking pagbibisikleta as a bike commuter pa rin dito sa US, right? So ito pala yung carrier basket na pangharap na bisikleta. Overall, okay siya. Hindi siya, medyo may pagkaalog-alog siya, pero overall, I give it 10/10 kasi nga napakatibay niya, napaka-durable. So yung una talaga hindi ko talaga maipasok dahil nga yung pangkabit niya ay hindi siya gaano kalaki para doon sa handlebar, right? Parang ano siya parang tawag dito, parang hindi talaga siya pang mountain bike na basket carrier, right? So naghahanap siya ng ibang handlebar na makapagkasya sa kanya doon sa doon talaga doon sa hook na pangkabit niya, right? So yun po yung niya. Yun lang talaga yung concern ko talaga, kasi nga siguro kung makakabili ako ng bagong handlebar bike na makapagkasya talaga doon sa hook na paglalagayan ng basket niya, yun kasya talaga. So hahanap lang ako ng mas yung diameter niya doon sa handlebar. I think much better, hindi ba? So pwede rin kung yung pang-commuter na pang-commuter na handlebar na bike, right? So I think maghahanap ako niya sa bike shop kung meron sila, right? Since yung bike shop na talaga may kakayahan doon sa mga ganyan, kasi nga hindi naman talaga hindi ko alam kung kumpleto pa talaga yung I don't know if Walmart has the complete set of handlebar, right, for the bicycle, right? So that's what I am also looking for in the next, right? So I don't know how much is the handlebar of the bike, right? So since I really don't know yet, it is also for the carrier rack at the rear of the bicycle, which is at the back, right? Which at the back, right? So since okay din naman siya, okay siya, and then also I really like how it is so durable, and it is so durable, and also hindi siya umalog-alog, hindi siya natatanggal, since wala siyang support doon sa ilalim, right? Ang nakasupport sa kanya ay yung clamp na naglalak. Yun lang yung nakasupport sa kanya. So hindi yung binaibili ko na ko sa Cebu, yung aking sa likod. Kasya siya, di ba? So I think makapaglagay siya ng milk crate para doon paglagayan ko na mas marami pa, right? So I think for by most okay na siya, right? And also pang outro na ito, so okay. And also salamat pala sa panonood, right? Sana mag-subscribe pa kayo, so okay? Kasi minsan lang ako makapag-vlog, minsan lang kasi ako makapag-cycling vlog dito, since I am working 5 days, right? And also my day off is 2 days, right? Tuesdays and Wednesdays. Diyan sa Pilipinas ay Wednesdays and Thursdays. Okay, so makikita niyo po itong vlog ko sa kasi i-upload ko ito bukas kasi. So schedule kasi ito, ini-schedule ko ito para bukas itong vlog na ito, since Wednesday ngayon at saka bukas ay Thursday. So ibig sabihin Wednesday dyan, right, di ba? Wednesday dyan. Okay, Wednesday sa Pilipinas. And then also yung isa ko pang video, actually kasunod siya eh. So Friday ko siya i-upload. So ibig sabihin Saturday nyo na Friday dito i-upload. Yes, Saturday, I think. Yes, Saturday. So hirap kasi analyze, hirap kasi analyze kasi. So Friday dito, Saturday diyan. So itong video ko ngayon, bukas ko dito Thursday, Friday na pala dyan, okay? So, yung isa, Friday dito, Saturday na, okay? Saturday dito sa Pilipinas, okay? So, yun po yun. Okay, so, ang hirap talaga i-analyze ng ganito eh. So, okay. So, okay. Overall, I really like the products. Very helpful to me, and also, this is so necessary, right? So, very helpful, and also really like this, may nilagay ko na yung mga items na bibilin ko, right? So okay, so I think that's it for today's vlog. So weekly vlog, okay? So I guess this is for my weekly vlog for today, and I hope you like it. And please don't forget to subscribe and also click that notification bell so that parati pa rin kayo ma-notify sa mga upcoming future videos ko. Kahit minsan lang ako makapag-vlog ngayon, weekly na po ako makapag-vlog po, okay? So weekly na po ako makapag-vlog. So I think 2 days akong day off. So 2 days din ako makapag-vlog. Right? So either cycling vlogs or reaction video sa mga cyclings, and also gagawa para ng mga vlogs about cycling accessories, cycling accessories and everything, right? So okay, so I think this is for this vlog. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you like it, and please don't forget to subscribe. Okay, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to subscribe, and also click that notification bell. Okay, so kumusta na kayo dyan sa Pilipinas, sa Cebu? So katulad lang na ni Idol MTB Rides in Cebu, Archie Singkulan, Jam Bike TV, Sir Carlo Villarica, No Boring Days, and also sa mga kasiklista po na kasiklista natin dyan sa Cebu, kumusta po kayo lahat dyan? So okay, so ayun, miss ko na rin yung Cebu, hindi ba? So miss ko na rin magbike dyan, kasi nga ayun, mas okay magbike kasi dyan kaysa dito okay, kasi nga kapag nag-i-snow dito, hindi ka makapagbike, pero pwede ka pa rin naman makapagbike kahit snow siya, pero dapat careful na talaga kasi napaka-slippery yung daan, right? So hindi advisable. Pero yung iba, may nakikita kasi ako iba ay nagbibisikleta pa rin kahit snow yung daan, right? So ayun, mas okay kasi sa Pilipinas kasi nga yung season natin, rainy season at saka sunny season lang, 'di ba? Summer and winter. Wala tayong winter, summer season and rainy season lang tayo dito sa Pilipinas. So kumusta na pala diyan? Okay, kumusta po sa inyong lahat diyan, mga kasiklistang Cebuano, mga Bisaya? MTB Rides in Cebu, Archie Singkulan, Jump Bike TV, Sir Carlo Villarica, No Boring Days, at saka yung iba pa, Biker Vin, right? Biker Vin, at saka sino pa? Okay, sino pa? Cebu Bike Bootcamp. Okay, so si Mark Anthony Racal, right? So, oy, Master Mark Anthony mo, Mike, okay? Okay. So, yun. Diba? So, support pa rin kayo, okay? Supporta pa rin kayo sa Akua, right? And then also sa Tagalog, support pa rin kayo para sa akin channel na ito. Patuloy pa rin ang pagpadyak ko dito. Patuloy pa rin pagpadyak ko dito sa USA. So, all the way from Cebu, Philippines, nagpapadyak ako papunta dito. Okay. So, hindi po yun. Okay. So, kung pwede lang sana, hindi ba? So, actually, plan ko rin kasi bumili ng folding bike na Brompton, and also plan ko rin bumili ng electric na bike, right? Yung motor assistant, yung motor assistive at saka pedal assist, yun din yung gusto ko, at saka electric scooter. Okay, so sooner or later makapag-ipon ako, so makapag-ipon at saka ma-monetize din ako sa channel ko. So yun lang, di ba? So actually marami pa akong pinaplano dito sa aking YouTube channel na cycling. So since busy din ako sa aking ibang channel, right? Sa aking gaming channel at saka sa iba pang channel na mga, okay? Sa isa ko pa channel na techs and gadgets. Right, so kung gusto niyo mag-subscribe, ilalagay ko yung description, ilalagay ko yung link sa aking mga channel. Okay, so once again, thank you so much mga kabisaya na mga bisiklista dyan. So thank you so much. Okay, subscribe, okay? Subscribe mo sa ako ang channel. And it's also in Tagalog, subscribe po kayo sa channel ko kasi patuloy pa rin ako pumapadyak para sa ating inang kalikasan. Okay, for Mother Nature. Right, so being a cyclist is also a environmentalist, right? So pero wag po nating wag po nating tawag ito. Ano talaga, dapat balance lang talaga tayo. So, cyclist and environmentalist. So, patas lang, 'di ba? So, hindi katulad kasi yung nakikita ko sa mga ibang mga video na nakikita ko sa mga shorts. Actually, environmentalist din kasi sila eh. So, pero pino-push forward talaga nila yung pagka-environmental. Ayaw na nilang yung mga sasakyan na may usok, na may mga talaga ganun eh. Yung iba dito sa US, ibang states dito ganyan sila eh. So pero sa akin hindi. Being a cyclist is also a environmentalist, and let's keep our environment green, right? Go green, go green po tayo. So okay, so I think yun lang po. Yun lang po. Okay, napakahaba na ng vlog nito ngayon. So thank you and subscribe to my channel, okay?